So once again, good mornings to all of you. So today's lectures related to unit number 2, method study, important questions to be asked in university exams. So first questions, what is the definition of method study and what are the objective of method study, and explain in brief about scope of method study. So there are three types of questions it has been asked in our these questions. First of all, a definition of method study. It is a very simple definition. You know that systematic recording and examinations of present methods and develop new methods to increase the production and productivity. It's very simple. Then objective as usual, improvement in methods, decide the standard times, include production, productivity, manpowers, quality, accuracy. Certain common points are there. You can explain these points in a brief. After this, what is actually scope of method study? A method study, it can be applied anywhere for layouting purpose, office purpose, working conditions, movement, quality control, design, development, process of manufacturing, and material handling. So these are the scopes related to this method study. So if you can explain in brief about the scope of method study for answer of questions. Now the question number 2, explain in brief about basic procedures of method study and list a technique of method study. So here this method study, it is actually same points that actually we have studied in work study. So same points, what it contains, the number of points are there. First of all, you have to select for which methods you are going to use this. Then you can study about the some recording techniques of the same, and after that different types of charts it has been used for study purpose. After that asking different types of questions, you have to examine that present methods, and after that develops, defines and maintain that process. So these are the basic techniques for method study. Now under this different types of chart it has been used. Related to this chart, many times they will going to ask, or already they have asked about the short notes on these points. So here techniques, different techniques has been used. It contains different types of charts. So what are that charts? So first it is operations process chart or outline process chart is there. Then that means the process or sequence of process, or here operation and inspections, two symbols already has been used. Now for operations we are using circle as the symbol, rectangular or square this is used for inspection purpose. So this chart is used for method study purpose. Then flow process charts. Now here flow of the materials, flow of the equipments, as well as the movements of the man from one place to next place. So for this purpose we are using flow process charts. So under this all activities of mans are recorded, material types, movement of materials are recorded, then equipments or machineries and its movement it has been recorded by the flow process charts. Now third is two-handed process charts. Here motion of both hands and unnecessary times or unnecessary activity we have to reduce. Here left and right hand side we can use for this multiple activity charts. The activity of group of worker doing a single jobs or activity of single worker operating more than one machine, then we can use this multiple activity charts. Then string diagram, this is drawn on suitable scale, path of flow of material, it has been recorded with help of flow diagram. Then the string diagram, that is the movement of workers and recording using a string in the diagrams on the scales. So these are the various techniques it has been used in the method study. Now next questions, write short notes. So here a number of charts are there, but particular charts it has been used for method study purpose. That is the first chart, that is operation process chart. Write a short note should be there. You can take one examples in our workshop, and by using this operation and inspection symbols you can show the process chart. Flow process charts, the flow of material, flow of equipments, you can take the similar exam in workshop. String diagram, this is used for movement of the materials from one place to other place. So these are the three important charts, but lightly you have to study also multiple activity chart, 200 process chart, SIMO chart is there, travel chart is there, template and models are there, Thurblings. So different types of Thurblings, around 18 Thurblings are there, and this is used for micro motion study in the assembly sections. Any assembly we can do by using two hands. So motion of these two hands as well as the other organs like legs also we can use for assembly purpose. So same things it has been recorded by using the Thurblings, and this technique it is developed by F.B. Gilbert. After that, the critical examinations. So in this critical examinations, only 5 points you have to remember. The questions should be like this: purpose. So what is the purpose of that product or that methods? Place, where we can do that. Sequence, what is the sequence of this? Then person who will do that, and maintains, how is it done? So like this critical examination questions will be there. So these three are important questions from the examination point of view. Once again I will read these questions. Question number 1, what is the definition of method study? What are the objective, and explain in brief about the scope of method. Scope means where we can use this method study. Now next question is that explain in brief about basic procedures of method study and list various techniques used in method study. So basic process we can start for select, recording up to maintain. So same points already we have studied in work study. Similar points are there. Same basic procedure is there. Techniques. So different types of techniques are there. Which are the techniques? All types of charts. So you can mention all these type of charts. And last questions, write a short notes, particularly process charts, flow process chart and string diagram. These are the very important points. Other than this, multiple activity chart, 200 process chart, SIMO chart is there, travel chart is there, templates and models are there, Thurblings are there, and critical examination questions. So like these different types of question it has been asked or will going to ask in your coming exam. So this is about the today's the lecture related to the important questions to be asked in our university exams.